So people argue a lot that this process of warming happens a lot for Earth's history, right? But you need to understand how that happens and the time frame. There are a lot of things that are taken out of context. So normally, volcanic activity amongst gases released from the ocean floor and everything else create an atmosphere, right, that enables life to survive and thrive. There is a lot of carbon and a lot of methane and nitrogen and blah, 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 blah that are in volcanoes. But what there is there are other gases like sulfur dioxide that causes a cooling effect and balances out the effects of the carbon and stuff. This process created an atmosphere where trees that are all disappearing and phytoplankton that are all disappearing could create enough oxygen and stuff for other life to thrive. So that's where human activity is different. Because human activity doesn't add all these cooling things. All it adds is the warming ones. And it's created an atmosphere that actually the Earth has never experienced before to our knowledge as humans, right? And we know a lot about this from like ice core drilling and stuff like that, because you can get a really good representation of the atmosphere of the world at a particular time through taking a core from the frozen ice of the time. So you can understand that volcanoes, right, and all these other things that the Earth does, they're not the same. And they could never have contributed 2,000 billion tons of carbon into the world's atmosphere over 150 years like we have. They would do that over thousands and thousands of years. And because we've done it so quickly, it takes the Earth a little while to catch up. But our atmosphere doesn't match what's going on the ground. And that's why things on the ground look so shoddy. And they're all dying. All the animals, all the insects, all the plants. It's a shame, really.